Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today again I'll be riding a different bike, so let's change it. So I'm riding RC390. So Tanay got it yesterday from Bullet Raja, and this is a 2015 model. I'm just testing it how it is. So this model 2015 did not have the slipper clutch. So did the testing of the RC390. It is nice, it is well maintained, and it was only ridden approximately 5,000 kilometers. So Tanay already has X-Pulse, and this is his second bike. Ending this video over here. Do subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is silentbike_kv.